Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Today this video is kind of different from any other video that I have uploaded to my wall. So what's that? Yeah, that's very exciting for me also, because today I'm going to explore, today I'm going to uncover something new for me. For few days I was feeling that I need something for my study purpose, so I was searching for the better investment. From that thinking, I'm not sure whether this one is investment or kind of spending of money, but perhaps it could be investment for my case. All right, that is nothing but a new gadget from, all right, that will be twist. So I purchased this from the Amazon. I had a code because of working there. I had a coupon code, I used that. That's why I got 10% discount. So let's check it out what's inside. Really? Okay. All right, I should not make any delay. Counting down, 3 2 1 go. Yeah, that's the iPad Air. I bought it from Amazon, so I'm just making the uncovering video. All right, that one is iPad Air 11 128 gigabyte M.2 chip with Wi-Fi, not cellular. All right, I think I'm going to make it. All right, so from here it's showing I have to turn it on this side. Okay, and another one is here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, I'm trying to uncover this, what's inside. Wow, this one, I was eagerly waiting for this for a few days. Okay, something is, it's flying like something new, designed by Apple in California. Oh my god. Oh Allah, I'm so grateful to you, Allah. I got this. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That color is space gray. Okay, here is my new iPad Air. Okay, I should switch it on. There are two keys, upper volume and the lower volume, and here is the finger. I think there are two micro sound. Here is the rear camera and the sensor, the Apple logo. Yeah, here is the option for charging, something like let's check it out. All right, it's coming. I'm a bit excited. Oh, just, yeah, it's hello, hola. Okay, hello. Chinese language. Now it's coming. So okay, I have to select the language first. So as usual, it's English. Country Germany. Okay. language is setting. Oh, it's pretty cool, right? And the kind of excitement I'm getting from it. Okay, appearance. All right, this time default. Setup without another device. Okay, setup later. So I need the password here. Okay, I will set it later. I'm just waiting. Continue. Now okay, I need the password right now. Really? I'm taking my MacBook to get the Wi-Fi password. All right. So I need the help of MacBook to get the password. That's a type of thing I'm just facing. It's Isha prayer. I hear the sound of Ajahn. Got the password, that is 723801. It's done. So set up for myself task ID, set task ID later. Are you sure you don't want to use task ID? Oh, okay, use task ID. Continue. I have to give my task ID here. Yeah, it's complete now. Almost done. Pretty nice right now. Okay. So it requires another touch ID. Almost done. Okay. Continue. Passcode. Okay. It's working now. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's signing in. All right, I'm so excited to show it. Pray for me for this. All right, terms and condition. I did it. All right, let's see what happens next. The front camera is here in the mid, that's 12 megapixel, and the rear camera is 12 megapixel. Okay, it's working, it's processing. I have bought some gadgets for this one. For the protection of this iPad, I just purchased the protective case. So let's check it out. To open this, I need to use this knife here. Okay, so it is made in China. Chinese products, most of the case. Okay, so all right, this one is the protective case. So what's inside? Okay, all right, it's a protective bag. Good, it's pretty nice. Okay, do it later with time. So I have another gadget for using this, that is basically turn on location service. Okay, what's inside? I have to check it out. That could be Apple Pencil. Yeah, I thought that because I know what's inside. I ordered it, I paid the payment, that's why I know it. Yeah, 7:30. Okay. What's inside? Okay. This one is the Apple Pencil. Expensive one, Apple Pencil Pro. So this should be here. Okay, I need to recover this. All right. Mashallah. Oh, nice, so nice, the pencil. So I can set up later. So to use this, I have to open it. I have to set up first. So screen time, set up later, don't share, continue. Welcome to iPad, get started with me. Yeah, it's showing. Alhamdulillah. To preserve battery lifespan, you can set 80%, something like. There are some message. Okay. Wow. All right, the camera is pretty nice. What about this? Oh, good one. Mashallah. It's nice. All right. I'm ending this video here. It's too long. I'll come back again. Till then, stay better. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.